Our research paper is about using stiffness method to solve loads within trusses and how it can be solved by using matrices. Solid mechanics to study of materials and structures and how they deform under load. Stiffness method is also known as the displacement method. It's the primary method used in matrix analysis of structures and basis of almost all commercial structural analysis programs. In stiffness method, the number of unknown to be calculated is the same as the degree of kinematic indeterminacy of the structure. It is a matrix method that makes use of members' stiffness relation for computing member forces and displacement in structures. The direct stiffness method is the most common implementation of the finite element method, or also known as FEM. This method is developed on the basis in writing joint equilibrium equation in terms of stiffness coefficient and unknown joint displacement, with a kinematically determinate version of the original structure proves to be useful for the purpose of characterizing such equilibrium condition as action superposition equation.
The stiffness method is basically an easier way to compute loads and analyze structures using matrices with the program. It simplifies the output and computation of loads and structures. Thus, this implies that we can use this method to calculate the given loads and a structure using matrices. The method originated in aerospace. This includes elasticity theory, energy principles in structural mechanics, flexibility method, and matrix stiffness method. This method is developed for writing equilibrium equations and displacements.
Results and analysis. There are 7 steps in getting the reactions of a truss support using stiffness method. First step, determining the member stiffnesses matrices. Step 2, assemble the global stiffness. Step 3, write the solution equation in full, which is F is equal to K theta, which is F is the force or reaction in the support, K is AE over L. Step 4, restrict the equation. Step 5, solve the system using linear algebra. Step 6, determine the member forces. And step 7, determine the reactions.
This research aims to show the credibility of stiffness method in finding reactions for a truss, following a certain algorithm to solve the data given. It has showed a similar result with the data solved by hand. It is therefore concluded that stiffness method is acceptable to be used in trusses.